Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix sign in to network problem in Android mobile phone. So let's get started. In case you have a trouble or you cannot connect into your internet but you already turn on your mobile data, you can do this trick. So let's get started by tap this setting button and tap the SIM card or mobile data here and tap your provider, and you have to use preferred network type, the highest one. If you have a 4G phone, you can use it, or like me, you still use the old phone. 4G, 3G, or 2G, you have to make this default. And also you can tap this carrier and let the carrier on this phone a search manually. So you have to wait. The phone is searching the network. Here the carrier on the phone is provide you. So choose the available networks. So I choose the 3 or Hutchinson because I use this provider. As you can see, the 4G is on. My connection is on. Let's try open the YouTube. And yeah, my connection is on. So I can watch YouTube now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.